Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey. So yeah, today I decided to record an assumptions tag. I actually asked you guys what your assumptions are about me last year, but I'm only getting time to record it now. I know I'm a terrible YouTuber, my consistency sucks, we know this, but still, please like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. I'm gonna be trying to be better with my consistency, and press the notification bell in case I am not consistent. At least you'll know when I do upload. So yeah, let's get right into the video. The world is an amazing place. There is so much to do and so much to see, and I want you all to do it with me. So fix your crown and let's go on an adventure. Okay, cool. Let's get into the assumptions. First one, you are a shopaholic. I am a recovering shopaholic. I used to be a shopaholic. You are not easy to approach. I really am, guys. Like, please talk to me. Like, if you see me in the streets, please talk to me. I know I might seem like I'm very, but it's because I'm so shy. I am so shy. I can't even look people in the eye the first time I talk to them. It is so bad. I have crippling social anxiety. It makes me seem rude, and it makes me seem like I don't like talking to people. But I do. I really do. So please talk to me. I am approachable. DM me. I'll answer. I was about to lie and say all my DMs, most of them, if they're not creepy. Yeah, if you're not being rude and you're not being creepy, I will.
No, you are rude in your DMs.
Leave me alone. You're low-key a Nicki Minaj fan. Man, there's nothing low-key about that. I stan Nicki Minaj, especially old school Nicki. New school Nicki is a bit, still getting her vibe, but like old school Nicki, guys, I'm here. I stan, especially on collabos. Yo guys, I stan that girl. I stan her so much. You're rich and fabulous. Yes, I am fabulous. I am very, very fabulous. The first part of your assumption, you're a God-fearing young lady. I'm so sorry, guys. Why is it like I can't read? I haven't been to school in a long time. Maybe that's why I can't read. God-fearing young lady. Yes, I am. You are jovial. So they spelled it. I'm gonna spell it here. I tried googling it. Google doesn't know what that means. But apparently they were trying to say you are jovial. How do you pronounce it?
Yeah,
Jovial, which means cheerful and stuff. Yes, I am. I am very chill. I'm one of those people that are always like, I'd make a great cheerleader, I always have that spirit. While I did audition for cheerleading twice and I didn't make it, and I also, but no, I was a cheerleader, grade 8, Manje High School. Yes. So you pretended like you wanted to be Torchona. First of all, there's no need for you to be spicy about it. I wasn't pretending. I really did want to be Torchona, but I still want to learn, so please teach me. This person said you're used to guys hitting on you and you can't be bothered anymore.
True.
Who hits on me? Yeah. Not an assumption, but you're a very beautiful person. Thank you. You are a very friendly person. I am, and I'm so grateful that she said that, because a lot of people don't believe it. I am very friendly. Okay. You seem like a person who likes to keep the circle close, friendship circle. Yes, I do. Like, it takes a lot for me to call you my friend. Like, I might know a lot of people, but like I have like less than 10 friends. It takes a lot. Friendship is something that is so important to me. I don't go around calling everyone my friend, otherwise they're just gonna disappoint you. You're a daddy's girl. Wow. Okay. Not an assumption, but this hairstyle on you is bomb. Thank you. I'm gonna put the the hairstyle here. I came up with it myself, the concept myself. I went down and I sat down at the salon, described it to the woman, and she made the things hey pain. Mowbray, guys. Mowbray is a plug. Like, the plug. You're pretty reserved and kept to yourself. I've only seen you twice this whole year, which was last year. Yeah. But I feel like the whole video I'm gonna keep saying this. I'm just shy. That's why. I do keep to myself in certain situations, and I'm reserved in certain situations. Yes, I boss up when I need to, but most of the time I'm just like in my own little bubble. You get everything on a silver platter. No, I get everything on a pink platter. Yo, that was rude. That was so rude. You pretend to be holy in front. You pretend to be holy, but in reality you're wild. I don't pretend to be holy. I am. And wild is very subjective. Like, wild in what sense? Like, could be wild in Christ. Okay, so yes, I am. You're a South African princess and my long lost sister. Yes, I am. I'm your long lost sister. You're a friendly person. Yes, I am. I really am. You're a full-time princess indeed. Ding. You're raising the Vanda flag. Keep on slaying Mokoro. Ah, thank you. Rishimera guy. Thank you. You have a heart of gold but can easily be hurt. Yes, so I think that's one of my weaknesses. My heart's too big, too big for my liking. Way too big, and like even small things get to me. So I don't know if it's a blessing or a curse. Could be both. But okay, so this person's like, you are high maintenance. So yes, I am. Like, yeah, there's nothing wrong with wanting nice things in life, guys. There's nothing wrong with having high standards for yourself. Absolutely nothing wrong. Like, there's no, what's the word? Anyway, yes, I am. Not gonna deny it. So, but if you're not the one maintaining me, I don't understand why it's your ish. I'm joking. No wonder why people say I'm rude. I'm sorry. My assumptions are that you're somebody who doesn't like people. I like people. It's just that they scare me. That's it. You're an introvert with a strong desire to show kindness, but too careful about it. Spot on. Spot on. You're more of an outdoor person than an indoor person. True. I'm both. It depends what I'm doing outdoors. If we're going on an adventure, yay! I'm all about adventures. But if not, I'm indoors, Netflixing. Basically, this lockdown is nothing new to me. You're the loud and talkative one among your friends. Actually, no, I'm not. That's why I saw, if you look at everybody around me, they're all extroverts. Because like I said, I'm very quiet. Like the first time I meet you. Yes. Like the first time I meet you, I'm not saying anything. And usually extroverts don't notice that I'm being weird and they just carry on talking until I'm comfortable and whatever. But yeah, I'm not the loudest one in my friendship groups.
You are the loudest one.
I'm not.
Between us two, you are the loudest one. We are friendship group and
No, you are. You're louder than I am. Are you willing to date at this stage of your life? Regards, your longtime hashtag secret admirer, hashtag secret pal. No. And then the rest are just questions like, what's your ideal boyfriend? Like, I feel like these are all from the same person. Cue me, so I wouldn't know. What's your ideal boyfriend / husband?
These are not questions, are not assumptions.
Exactly. Cool. So yeah, those are the assumptions. Thank you so much for asking me. If you have any more, you can tell me down in the comment box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you. I was about to say next week, but guys, I cannot keep lying like this. I will see you. Just click the notification bell, and we'll see each other. We'll see each other. Bye.